Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick video, I want to show you how to use hashtags on Instagram and save a lot of time. So it's a quick time saving hack or productivity hack for you. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about marketing hacks, tactics and strategies to help you grow your business. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, let's go to my Instagram. And actually, we all know how important 30 hashtags are on Instagram. That's how you can attract more fans and followers to your account. But copy pasting 30 hashtags every single time, it takes a lot of effort. So one of the things that I do is when I do the Instagram research, and I have some other videos about different tools that you can use to do your Instagram research on my channel. But let's say you have multiple sets of 30 hashtags. Now, one of the things that you can do is, so I have these saved in my Notes app. So every single time, so let's say I want to use this set of 30 hashtags. So I'll just copy these. And now let's say I want to post. So I'll just kind of create a new feed post, so I can add caption and then hit paste. So here are the 30 hashtags. So if you have all different sets of hashtags saved in your Notes app, it can save you a little bit of time, because obviously if you were to type all 30 every single time, oh my god, that will take forever, right? But there is actually another way, another simple hack that you can use. So let me show you that right now. So let's clear this. And now I'm going to type, watch my keyboard, I'm going to type HT1. And here you go. Here is the one set of 30 hashtags that I consistently use on my Instagram. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using the Apple iPhone's text replacement feature to bring these hashtags here. So let's clear that. And now I'm going to type HT3. And here are different sets of 30 hashtags. So if you step back and imagine you do your research, you find multiple sets of 30 hashtags, and then you set up the keyboard shortcuts or text replacements, and then you don't even have to type the hashtags. All right, now the question is, how do you actually set this up? And it's super, super easy. Let's get back. And I'm gonna go to the settings. So now I'm gonna show you how you can set up these shortcuts or text replacement shortcuts basically on your iPhone. And we're gonna go to General, and then we're gonna go to Keyboard, and then on top the option number 2, text replacement. And look at this. So this is all the text replacement shortcuts that I have set up. So to create a new one, click on that plus icon on top. And in the first one, you'll add the phrase. So here are all the 30 hashtags that I just copied in the beginning of this video from my notes. And then I can create another shortcut. So HT4 or whatever you want to use. And then once I hit save, afterwards, when I'm adding content on my Instagram, I don't have to type hashtags. I don't even have to copy paste from my notes. All I have to do is just remember this shortcut right here, and that's it. So this is it, guys. This is how you can save a lot of time when copy pasting or when adding hashtags to your Instagram content. And by the way, this will also work on your Instagram stories. Don't use 30 hashtags on your Instagram stories. Use maybe 3 or 4, but you can create different shortcuts for less number of hashtags to use on your Instagram stories. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I launch my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.